What up, guys? Back with another video. We're heading to Nate's house right now, and then we're heading out to Carlisle Truck Nationals. We didn't get to go there last year, but we're coming this year. I'm riding with Nate, so we're not bringing the rig this year. Maybe next year we'll bring the rig if it's ready. We get a little bit more stuff done to it. We'll like take it out there. It'd be pretty cool. But for now, we're just going out, hanging out. Gonna film some trucks. They have like a bunch of stuff going on. Like, you know, they do like the little events. I know they got like freestyle, and they have for like freestyle motocross. They have a bunch of like truck stuff. I'm pretty sure they have like little like mini games for like cars and stuff, like low limbo car, like whatever for the cars. And then they have like the truck shows. I know they have the dyno, like all that. So we'll get clips of everything going on. And yeah, then we're talking. Let's get going. We'll get on the road to the truck meet here. I slept in the woods with the guys. Get out there when they come. I call the whole ain't even in it yet. Looks like it's not done. On the beat, by the way.
I just wanna slide. Parties in the sky like it's 2055. She said, boy, you nice. Boy, you nice. Heart cold like some water and some ice. Why would you sacrifice? Knowing you could die, ain't nobody by your side. I know niggas cap, and bitches lie. Came from dirt, can't go back. You can see it in my eyes. Real niggas cry blood. Hope my kid never tried drugs. All I wanted was some love. Trade that for a gun. Big pack on me now.
Quicker than I did, ayy, ayy, gravy in this bitch, I'm with the shits, ayy, ayy, you never see me lag, I send your bitch a fact, she came through with the pack, gravy came through with the snacks, pull up to that function in that new whip, too quick, real mama looking like my new bitch, true shit.
She's a two-stack Mac with a bunk in the back, and she's crawled from head to toe. She's got a screaming cat that won't hold back, so hammer down, boys, let her go. She's a lady of the night with her chicken lights, I guess a couple hundred or so. I get lost in the lines and the way she whines to that XM radio. Hey, Mr. DJ, play me a song. Want about trucking all night long. I got a girl, she's a waiting at home for me. And this old rig, she sure is fast, spinning them sides as she rolls past. A long haul trucker is all I'll ever be. Chicken lights and chrome, yeah, I'm headed home. See us coming from a million miles away. Lights up the sky like the 4th of July. Truckers' favorite songs, Alabama's roll on, and chicken lights and chrome. she'll knock 'em dead as she
do it for the video. We didn't get like much talking at Carlisle, but it was a really cool event. I actually enjoyed it. That was my first time there. My buddy Nate, our buddy Nate, he goes there he's been there a couple times, I think he's been there a couple times, but we'll definitely be going back every year. I'm gonna try to go. I'm actually gonna try to get the truck there next year. Me and Nate actually have some big ideas, so hopefully we can get to building this truck. I want to try to get a 1st or 2nd gen, that way I can put the truck the 4th gen, tear it down, get it to work. Razor's sitting pretty. Get it to work and start building that thing. But if you guys haven't been to Carlisle, PA for the Truck Nationals, definitely come. Hopefully you guys, hope to see a lot of you guys there next year. Hopefully we grow, like we're pretty good by next year. That way we can have like a pretty cool like fan base there. It'd be cool to meet some guys. And so yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna be going there every year. The semi truck show, the light show, was by far like the coolest moment. Like all the air horns going off, all the freaking trucks revving up. Like everything was super cool. The Jakes were banging, stuff was sick. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll catch you guys back in the next one. Smash that like button, smash that sub button. Leave a comment down below what you guys think of the Truck Nationals. And videos are gonna keep rolling out. We can get Monday and Thursdays are like the key, but you guys are getting one video a week. 100% you will have one video a week every single week. There won't be any weeks missed. There'll be a video Monday or Tuesday of every single week at least. And yeah, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.